are making chicken parmesan. We're going to do some pasta, and right now I am filleting the chicken breast, getting rid of the excess little fat and over there, and then we are going to dip these in a mixture of some 2 eggs and flour.
And this is organic chicken, huh?
Yeah, this is organic chicken, farm fresh, no hormones or anything like that. And cook them up on the frying pan. Then we'll pop it in the oven for about 6 minutes on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we'll melt a little cheese on the top of that, and then top it off with some pasta sauce. So I'm just filleting these and cutting off a little extra bits on there. So anybody watching our channel, if you guys want to give us something, you can give us a cutting board and a proper fillet knife. That would be great. As you can see, I have a apron. I did ask for one of those recently from YouTube. So thank you for whoever got me this. Thank you for our followers. I won't mention their name. All right, so now I've filleted the chicken breast. I am going to dip it in the mixture of flour and an egg. Do that, and now I'm going to put it in breadcrumbs over here. This looks good. And now we will bake these up. So when you fillet them, you want to find the middle parts. It is there. You just kind of have to go with the grain. So now, all right, second one here. These are going to be very delicious. They're very big fillets. And we have just enough. So with 3 fillets here, I've got 2 eggs and some flour and some breadcrumbs over here. So, and so this should just be enough for all of it here. All right, that is enough. Now we will fry these up on the frying pan with a little olive oil. All right, so we'll go over to the oven now. All right, so so now I'm gonna got the frying pan on about medium heat. I've got some extra virgin olive oil. I believe this is from Spain. This one I found it at Home Goods. Or maybe it was Marshall's. All right, so I'm gonna take the top off. Put enough to kind of cover it up a little bit. Alright, I'm just going to do this because I can't get it out. Alright, so drizzle some a good amount of olive oil in the frying pan, just enough to cover it up. So I may have to do these kind of separately. Alright. Okay, so here comes our first one. I think I can do 3.
2 at the same time?
Just 2? Alright, yeah, I'll just do 2. I might have room for 3, but I'll do 2. Alright, so I'm just going to let that fry up. See, it's bubbling up there. Alright, so as you can see, it's medium heat. It's It's getting nice and cooked there with the olive oil, bubbling up. Starting to smell very good. This breadcrumbs has some good Italian seasoning on it. It's about 7 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and turn this over. Oh, that's looking good. All right, getting nice and crispy and hard here. So we'll go about 7 more minutes. Alexa, set the timer for 7 minutes. All right, 7 more minutes, and then we'll flip it over. Pasta's in. Just gonna rinse it out. Strain it. Oops. All right, so we got these out of the frying pan. So they're all cooked to the nice and crispy. Now we get the our pasta sauce. Put that on top here, each one. Let's put a little bit more in this one here. Okay. Here. Now we're just going to lay one piece of mozzarella cheese on each of them. And then we'll put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 1 minute. Or for 5 minutes. Alright, now I'm going to put these in the oven for 5 minutes at 350 degrees. Let cheese to melt. Nice. Alright. Now I'm taking this out of the oven. Looks really good. Smells really good. So now we're just going to put some spaghetti on the plate and top it off with our chicken. And eat. Alright, there it is. Out. You want to cut in that one?
I'm just cutting a little bit.
All nice and moist. It's all perfectly cooked.
Yeah.
Alright, there we go. Thank you everyone for watching. Keep watching. Keep subscribing, and we'll see you next time. Bye.